How do I search a site that has no search box? Hi everyone, Leo Notenboom here for askleo.com. This was a question I got some time ago, and it's a very simple one actually. Leo, the search box on your site disappeared. How do I search? So the fact that the search box disappeared is one problem, but I want to use this as an opportunity to give you some alternatives for searching websites that actually don't even have a search box at all. Let's have a quick look at askleo.com, and you can see I've got a search box here. The issue is that most search boxes, mine included, operate best or even require that JavaScript be enabled. So if you don't have JavaScript enabled, then search may not work. And the most common scenario for that is if you're running Firefox and you've got the NoScript plugin turned on or installed, then you should probably create an exception for askleo.com and searching should work just fine. So yes, I have a search engine, actually a new one. It's got some answers in progress as you're typing, and it has its own set of results once you hit enter. So you can see I just did a search for Windows Defender, and the various articles that I have on the topic. So what if I didn't have a search engine? What if there was no search on Askleo? Well, as it turns out, Google has a really interesting way of doing this. I'm going to go visit google.com, and even though Bing comes up, I believe Bing has the same feature, but I'm going to focus on Google today. So to search a website, all you need to know is its domain, askleo.com. The magic is what's called the site colon operator. Site colon means restrict your search results to pages on this site. So if we now say search or site askleo.com, and then I'll go ahead and type in Windows Defender, now Google is going to search askleo.com and give you a different set of search results because it uses different search technology, but it's showing you now all these pages on askleo.com that relate to whatever it was I searched for. This is really, really handy because not everybody's search is created equal. I've started using my own search, as I showed you earlier. Search for Windows Defender, and it gives you the results. Google was not involved in this search. However, not everybody's site has a search engine, and not everybody's site has a good search engine, particularly if the search engine is left to be the default for whatever content management system they happen to be using. Often you'll get much, much better results, more useful results by searching that site using Google. So it is a very, very useful tool to have in your arsenal as you're trying to search the internet to find whatever it is you're trying to search for. Now there's one really interesting, and this one probably only applies to folks that own websites, but it's an interesting tool to understand just what Google thinks of your site. How much has it actually looked at? So if I just say site askleo.com, I'm not searching for anything specific. I'm just saying, show me all the results from askleo.com. The interesting piece here is this, about 6,040 results. That means that Google has indexed over 6,000 pages on the Askleo website. Yeah, I've got that many pages. It's been around for a while. That is a really interesting way of understanding, not just as a site owner, if Google has been crawling your site and entering it into the search engine, but it's also a good way to know just how much information a site you're interested in might have under its belt. How much data is there behind that domain? This is, like I said, a very quick way to find that out and otherwise just sort of understand whether it's an interesting thing or not. Hope you found that interesting. For updates, for related links, for comments and more, visit askleo.com/21977. I'm Leo Notenboom, and this is askleo.com. Thanks for watching.